So guys, if you can deal with what I'm about to share with you now, your channel will blow up. You will start up your channel and it will blow up. And what is that thing? If you can learn to eradicate excuses right now, you will be a YouTuber and a successful YouTuber at that. Yes, regardless of the kind of equipment you have right now, if you eradicate any excuse, every form of excuse, if you can eradicate them, your channel will do well. Let me also say this. There's a saying that when there is a will, there is a way. It's true that you don't have a good mic right now, but do you know that there are ways you can record with your mobile phone and your audio will still be beautiful? Yes, I made a video like that in this channel. So just go ahead and watch it. See, there's a way you can record with your phone, regardless of the quality of the camera, with proper editing, your video will be very, very clean. So if you can eradicate excuse right now, you will do well. So eradicate that excuse and let me know in the comment section, what is that excuse that you have? Is it your phone? Is it your audio? Okay, your mic, whatever, your environment, your background. See, let me know in the comment section and let's eradicate that excuse right now.